African name, which is what Mr. Joseph. So if you see him on the road, just say Mr. Joseph, Uncle Joseph, and Uncle Gideon. Okay? You can see. We are on the same page, right? So our mission is to what? Is to educate and to sensitize people concerning animal rights and abuse. Get it clear. You know animal can be abused. Yes. We are standing here as an advocate of what? Of animal rights. Anybody that abuse animal, animal have their rights constitutionally, even in Nigeria here. You go to India, for example, if you kill a bird, you spend 15 years in prison. That is in India. Nigeria, it was passed into law about two years ago at Abuja here that donkeys, camel, no, it's donkey, right? Donkey is forbidden to be killed in Nigeria. If you say you kill donkey for Tinkona, you serve the prison time. Yes, it has been passed into law now. Animals, God created this animal for us to take care of them. We have dominion over them, right? Yes. So why should you abuse them? Just as you have child abuse, will you like to be abused? We stand here and I want you to also join us today to correct this notion of what? Of just maltreating animals. Thank God this is a church setting. I will go to what? To buy, I will go briefly inside the Bible. How many of us know the story of Balaam? Yes. Okay, what happened there? Who can tell us? I'm a storyteller anyway. And today is going to be fun. Who can narrate briefly what happened there? Something happened there. Okay, thank you, my God. What's your name? I have a lot of gifts to give today. So, yes, what happened?
They were sacrificing plenty rams and cows.
Okay.
So, they went to go and call Balaam to his house.
Okay.
They presented gifts. He now told them to go back. So he now asked God whether I can go. God said, so the second time again they brought more gifts. He now asked God, can he go? God said, you should just go with them. So when he started going with them, he was on his donkey. Then the angel blocked him. He went to another side. The angel fell. Then now beat the donkey down. Why? The donkey now spoke that, why are you almost going against the God of his eyes?
Right. Thank you, God bless you. Please clap for me. Donkey saved life there. Do you not hear what he said?
Yes.
Donkey saved what? He saved the life of a human being. So he would have been killed if that donkey did not speak or what, or restrain himself from moving forward. He would have been killed. See, animals have passion for human beings. If you are taking care of dog, if somebody has a dog and you are taking care of the dog very well, if armed robber come to your place now, the dog will fight with his life to save you. True or false? True. I've seen situations whereby the owner of the dog died and the dog went there to the burial and was staying there for long, refused to eat. That's empathy. These animals, they have been useful in many ways. And that is why we are here to stop the what? To stop animal abuse. Just as what? There's an organization that is stopping human abuse. Nothing should be abused, even constitutionally. Alright, now let me listen to this story. There was a very small boy. Not a small boy like this. The boy went to a puppy shop, so where they are selling puppy, and he wanted to buy puppy. When the boy got to that place, he saw 4 puppies jump inside the kennel. They are jumping up, Come and buy me, come and buy me. Out of 5 puppies, one was not jumping up. That one just stay calm there. 4 were jumping up. Very cute puppy. And this boy looked at it very well. Then he looked at the one that was not jumping up. I said, and he felt like, why with this one? Why is he not jumping up? I think I'm more interested in this one that is not jumping up. And the puppy seller looked at him and said,
Make them
But
follow
let's
the
look at it
sacrifice
and
when it
say,
comes to
this one
sacrifice.
that is not jumping.